Welcome to Hideaway Cove here in Poipu Beach. Our air-conditioned Coral 1 bedroom is located in our 2315 building. Parking for the Coral is in one of these two parking places here at the street. If you'd like to drive up the driveway and unload your luggage, please feel free. However, we'd appreciate you returning back down to one of these two places to park your car. When you come up the driveway, go to your left here and follow the sidewalk up these 3 steps, and your keys are going to be in a sealed envelope right beside your front door. You can enjoy breakfast, lunch, or dinner out here on the lanai. You can also sit and read a book and just relax in one of the 2 chairs. And if you'd like to barbecue, your stainless steel barbecue with propane tank is nearby. For more information, please go to www.hideawaycove.com and click on accommodations and rates. There's a lot of useful information on this page, including how far we are from the beach, shopping, and groceries, plus all the many amenities included in our vacation rentals. You might also be interested in our air-conditioned beachcomber and dolphin studios. Feel free to email us at info@hideawaycove.com, or you can always call us toll-free 866-849-2426.